Hello, this is Candy with eyes2jesus.blogspot.com, and I am vlogging a day. It's been a while since I've vlogged, so now that the holidays and my birthday's out of the way, here we go. We got kind of crud going through the house of all the kids, on the recovering side from a nasty cold. And I got a bit of a cough and a throat thing going on, but it doesn't really feel like a full-blown cold, so I don't know if I got a touch of it and my immune system is handling it because maybe I've had it before sometime in my past, or if I'm getting it or what. But, I just need to clear my throat here and there a little bit. Other than that, I'm doing good, so I'm just going to go on with my day like normal. So, I'm just doing my morning routine right now, so I'm up to the point right now of getting laundry going. Well, I am done exercising. I rested for a little bit and let my heart rate slow down. The children are about done with homeschool for the day, so I am still in my exercise clothes. It's one of those days, but I am going over their math, and then I'm finally going to get cleaned and prettied up for the day. Well, we just finished lunch and kind of tidied up from that, and I am looking over and going over some more homeschool, and then I'm going to do some homeschool preps for next week. And I'm kind of taking it a bit easy today because I'm kind of worn out from, a couple of weeks of the kids and then the dog being sick. And today I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I took a high dose of vitamin C. So, I'm going to go through this stack of homeschool books, and then I'm going to tackle some things on my to-do list. I'm probably not going to worry about doing everything on my to-do list, but I need to hard-boil some eggs for my husband's lunches that I pack, and need to drag our trash can. I might send one of the kids to do that because it's cold outside, and they're currently doing better than I am. And I'm not going to walk the dog because it's really cold up there, and she is just recovering from her cold, so I'm going to let her stay warm and rest. But I'm going to tackle the stack of books. I got supper cooking, and I'm just going over my to-do list for the day to see what I've got done, what I need to forward, and what I may still get done. So, I did work on my blog. I'm forwarding newsletter work that I need to do. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow. If not, then this weekend. I did do our budget. I did hard-boil eggs for my husband's lunches. A master page that I want to work on for my planner I did not do yet. I may do that tonight or forward that on to tomorrow. I did organize my underwear drawer in my dresser. It was scary and overstuffed, so that's organized. Today's trash day, and we all did our chores. I did most of my cleaning chores for today. I did my office work, and I packed my husband's breakfast and lunch for tomorrow at work. Laundry is still in progress. I may not end up putting it away until tomorrow or later tonight. I still have a load going. Homeschool is done, and vlogging is currently in process. So not too bad. I think I'm actually getting quite a lot more done today than I thought I would because, like I said, I'm a bit low energy and a little bit of a scratchy throat. I took high-dose vitamin C. We'll see if that helps or not. But yeah, I'm going to continue working on supper. We just finished up with supper, so we're going to have some of the eggnog pie for dessert, and this is what a slice of the eggnog pie looks like. Then after that, it's time to clean up and unwind for the night. So I'm going to conclude my vlog here. Have a blessed day.